so sexy. Oh my god, it's literally just us 4 girls. Alright, maybe we should go check on him. Alright, now you can jump. Oh, you already know. Molly, get out this door, I swear. Okay, Molly. Molly! Okay, once you go up the stairs and then go to the left, there's a door right there. Instead of going right here, go through the door, okay?
Tell me when to run. It's to the right.
Oh, yeah, take a right. Well, Molly wouldn't know the difference. Alright, get ready. He's about to... Alright, ready? Ready, Molly?
Yes.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Press W, press W.
I am pressing W.
Okay, go, 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 go. Yes, Molly. Okay, follow me, follow me. Molly, I swear to God, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Okay, Molly, right through the door, right through the door. Yes, Molly, yes!
Oh my gosh.
That was
Wait,
amazing.
I'm so proud of myself.
You should
Okay,
be.
now what do we do?
This closet's gonna open us up for us to go.
And then is he gonna come in though?
No, just, you'll see what happens. I can't spoil the surprise.
Wait, there's like so many people. I can't see. You should stay here until he comes out. Oh, there's no people.
It's literally just us.
No, and yes, the 1265.
Yeah, but she doesn't matter. She's irrelevant.
That's facts.
The spider room is the room that Julia and I died in. Oh no, Molly's gonna do so bad at the parkour, Sochi.
Parkour? Oh my.
Sochi, just, all you have to do is just go through the fire when it's not going. And then jump over the spikes when they pop up. Molly, look at Zach.
Where's that?
He's right there. See him?
Oh, where? Oh, like
through the door. Alright, come on, Molly.
I can't.
Molly! 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 I swear to God! Molly, go in here, in the closet. There you go. God, Molly, you're literally gonna get us killed. Alright, Molly, the floor is gonna... Okay, so Molly.
Yeah.
Once, the next thing we have to do is that there's gonna be, like, fire and spikes. So what you have to do is when the fire's blowing, don't go through it, obviously, but when it's done blowing, go through so you can get by, you know?
Wait, what? Are we trying to go straight?
You'll see. It'll show up. We first have to fall through the floor.
I thought I was gonna die just now.
I did too, honestly. I was not having it.
We should have never came to the mansion.
And then Molly, there will be spikes in the ground, and you have to jump over the spikes while going forward. So press W and space at the same time. Practice right now, Molly. There you go, yeah. You want to press W before you go over, though, or else you'll go inside the spikes. And it won't feel good. And you don't have much health left, so... Alright. She's gonna pop up. Hey, little girl.
Where's the little girl?
She's over here, Molly.
Oh.
She's a little blondie. Alright, come on, Mom.
Oh god, guys.
That's so funny when you fell. You see the fire, Molly? And you see how it stops?
No. Yeah, I do.
Okay, come on. Come over here. Just get ready. Don't go through the fire, Molly. I swear if you go through the fire, you're gonna die.
Jump?
No, don't jump through the fire. Jump over the spikes. I'll tell you when to go through the fire. If you don't understand when to go. I swear, Molly. You better not go.
I'm so scared.
If Molly dies now, you have to go without her. Alright, Molly. Don't go through the fire yet. Go, 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 go. No, Molly, don't go. Molly, don't go. Okay, Molly, come.
I can't. I forgot how to press W. Oops.
W, now, W. There you go. Okay. Now, ready, Molly? Come up. Come forward. Come forward. Now, go in. Oh, no, you got hit.
But I
Alright, go. Wait, don't go. Oh my god, Molly, you're gonna die. Molly died. Molly died. Alright, we're going without you, Molly. We'll play the other game.
Put me your screen.
I can't. I'm playing. Soji, I swear, Soji, don't die. Okay,
Wait, so hold on the phone. I'm gonna die.
Sochi died. Sochi died. Is there even a point in doing this without you guys now?
Oh, there's a shop.
Is there even a point in finishing the game?
Wait, so you can use your arrows?
Yeah,
How do you switch to use your arrows though?
you don't. You just press them.
Yeah, but my arrows are used to like view stuff.
What?
Like my arrows are being used to like move, like see the whole entire room, like
Oh,
go
you
in
have to
circles.
press shift.
Hold on, shit.
Chloe, I should practice that game without you.
Yeah, you
What do
really
you mean you
should.
have to press shift?
Like, you have to press shift to lock your
Well, how do you
person.
do that? Like shift and then what?
Just shift. And do you have like a circle in the middle of your screen?
No,
What?
I press shift.
What? Which shift are you pressing? The left one or the right one?
Both.
No, just
they-
press the right one. Or left one.
Oh, shop.
What?
Chloe, I'm gonna write down all the games to play so they're on our minds.
Okay.
Nothing's working when I press shift. Oh.
Okay,
wait.
Molly, so what you do... Okay, never mind. Just don't... I don't know. Maybe you shouldn't worry about the arrow keys.
I know, but I'd rather use the arrow keys.
Okay, but like, when you use the arrow keys, left and right are used to look around, and all you can use is... All you can use is,
No, how do I just switch my keys? Like, how would I go do that?
Molly, all you can use when you use the arrow keys is forward and backward.
Why?
Because, I don't know, how about you talk to the Roblox
Okay,
people?
I'd rather use that then.
Okay, then just use